Hello everyone, this is Rakshita. I am of CSE AI department, 7th semester. I'm here to talk about introduction to AWS services. The contents of this topic are introduction, types of cloud computing services provided by AWS, key benefits, global infrastructure, services overview, AWS use cases. What is AWS? Amazon Web Service is a cloud computing platform that provides a range of on demand services like computing power, storage, and database delivered via the internet with a pay as you go principal model. Launched in 2006, AWS is now one of the leading cloud providers powering everything from small business to major enterprise worldwide. Pay as you go pricing model means you are paying for what you are using, how much you are using. You are paying for like a $1 for 1 hour. You are paying as you go. It is this based on this model where AWS is a cloud computing platform that provides a range of services. Types of cloud computing services provided by AWS: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service provides virtualized computing resource over the internet such as Amazon EC2, Elastic Cloud 2, Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, and Elastic Load Balancing, and among others. And platform as a service allows developers to build, deploy, and manage application without worrying about underlying infrastructure. Services like Elastic Beanstalk and AWS Lambda offer PaaS solutions. Software as a service. AWS provides services like Amazon Workspace, virtual desktops, and Amazon Chime Communications. Key benefits are scalability, cost effectiveness, security, and compliance. AWS provides the ability to quickly scale resources up or down according to demand. This elasticity allows you business to efficiently manage varying workload without provising or provisioning or underutilizing resources. Cost effectiveness. AWS operates on as pay you go pricing model, allowing business to pay only for the resource they use. This eliminates the need for large upfront investment and helps control costs. Security and compliance. AWS provides a robust set of security features, including data encryption, identity and access management, and compliance certificates. This helps business meet regulatory requirements and protect sensitive data. AWS Global Infrastructure. AWS is designed with robust and reliable infrastructure that supports the delivery of cloud services to millions of customers worldwide. Its global infrastructure consists of region, availability zones, and edge locations, ensuring performance, redundancy, and low latency. Regions. AWS is divided into multiple geographical regions, each containing multiple isolated availability zones. As of now, there are 30 plus AWS regions globally, enabling users to choose the location that best suits their needs. Each region is designed to be completely isolated from others, providing fault tolerance and stability. Business can select regions based on their proximity to their users for improved latency and compliance with data residence regulations. AWS Services Overview: Compute Services, Storage Services, and Database Services. Examples are Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, Scalable Virtual Services for hosting application, AWS Lambda, serverless computing service that runs code in response to events. Amazon ECS, Elastic Container Service, container management service for deploying Docker containers. Storage services, Amazon S3, simple storage service, object storage service for data storage and retrieval. Amazon EBS, Elastic Block Store, block storage for use with EC2 instances. Amazon Glaciers, Low cost storage for achieving data. Database services. Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service, manages the relational database service supporting multiple engines, example MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc. Amazon DynamoDB, NoSQL database service for high performance application. Amazon Redshift, data warehousing service for analysis. AWS use cases: web hosting, big data analytics, machine learning and AI, disaster recovery, Internet of Things. Host websites and web application on AWS with high availability and scalability. Major companies like Netflix and Airbnb use AWS for their web hosting needs. Big data analytics utilize AWS services like Amazon Redshift and AWS Glue to process and analyze large data sets. Companies like Lyft and YELP analyze user data to improve service and customer experience. Machine learning and AI leverage AWS SageMaker and AWS Recognition for building, training, and deploying machine learning models. Example: organizations use these services for predictive analytics, image recognition, and natural language processing. Disaster recovery. Implement backup and disaster recovery solutions with services like AWS Backup and Amazon S3. Business can quickly restore operation after a disaster by using AWS Global Infrastructure. Internet of Things. Connect and manage IoT devices with AWS IoT Core and AWS Greengrass. Smart home devices and industrial sensor use AWS for real-time data processing and analysis.